On August 1st, 2020, eBay released a new update about the zero insertion fees listings. They changed the amount of zero insertion fee listings that you get per a specific store subscription. In this video, I will explain you when is the right time for you to upgrade to the next store subscription by the amount of listings that you have on your store. This information is critical for your financial management in your eBay business, because if you don't know this information, you will just lose money, and I created for you a specific method to understand when it's the right time for you to upgrade your store or to downgrade your store subscription to save money. Short intro and we are starting. Hello everybody! So during the COVID-19, eBay released the offer of 50,000 free insertion fees listings for you, and they saw that this offer worked really well, and a lot of dropshippers and eBay sellers got an advantage from this offer and really improved their selling. Now eBay decided to create a lifetime offer and to change their store subscriptions. In this video I will explain you exactly what is the right store subscription for your store. So let's see. So we created this Google Sheets file where you can see exactly when it's the right time for you to upgrade. And let's see how it works. So if you don't have any store, you get up to 200 listings for free, and any other listing over the 200 listings that you list per month. Now, something important here, if you list 200 listings, then you remove one listing and you add another one, it will be 201. It will not be 200. It means that they count not the active amount of listings that you have, but the amount of inserted listings to eBay. That's something that's critical to understand. Now let's see. If we have 200 listings, we have it for free for $0 per month. And then if we get 222 listings or more, it means if we have 223 listings or more, we should get the starter store. Why? Because the starter store costs just $7.95, and it means that if we divide the $7.95 by 0.35, which is the insertion fee per listing, we will get another 22 listings for free. 200 plus 22 will be 222. It means that 223 or more requires a starter store. That will be the best store for us. If we have over 317 listings, it means that we need to go to the basic store. Why? The same explanation. If we have 250 listings in our store for free, which we get with this package for $7.95, it means that we have here $20 divided by $0.3, which is the amount of the insertion fee. This is the price per listing over the 250 listings. So it means that we can list up to 316 listings, and it will be still worth for us to stay on the starter. But when we go to 317, it means that we need the basic store. Let's try. So it means that for 317, it means that we will pay for 67 listings. So 67 multiplied by 0.3, it means $20. We add to that the 7.95, and the price of this will be more expensive than taking the basic store that will give us up to 350 listings for free. So I hope that it's clear. You can take a screenshot of this Google Sheets file, and then you will understand exactly when it's the right time for you to move to the next store subscription. Let's take the last example for the most important package, which is the Anchor store, because as you know, I always recommend you to stay on the Anchor store because that's the most profitable price for any dropshipper and for any eBay store, because there you get the cheapest price per listing on your eBay store. So let's see. If we have 3,749 listings minus 1,000 that we get for free for the premium, you can see it here, it means that we will pay for 2,000. Let me do that again. So if we have 349 minus, that's the amount of listings that we will pay for, and if I multiply that by 0.1 and I add to that the store subscription, which is 74.95, we'll see here this price. This price is still cheaper than the price of the Anchor store. But if I would have even one listing more, it would worth for me to upgrade to the Anchor store. So it means that when we pass the 3,750 listings, that's the right time for us to move to the Anchor store. And for enterprise, when you pass the 100,000 listings in your store per month, you should call, basically email to Jamie, because that's the highest store subscription that's possible for you to take on eBay. I hope that this video makes sense for you. It will be the easiest way for you to just take a screenshot of that and then use it and check how many listings you list every month. Now, it's really important for me to say again, it's the amount of listings that you list and not the amount of listings that you have in your store. So if you list over this amount of listings per month, it means that you need to understand which is the right store for you and really upgrade to that. That's the right way to manage your financial on your eBay dropshipping business. I hope that this video helps you. Comment down for any other questions that you have about eBay dropshipping, Shopify dropshipping, e-commerce, or anything that you would like to ask me or our team about AutoDS, and we will be really happy to help you. Share this video with your friends, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for our YouTube channel to stay updated with the newest dropshipping and eBay or Shopify information. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.